This is the radio from a HR that came in a day or two ago. It's been modernised with Bluetooth, twin channel amplifier, LED lighting. It does need the faceplate here replaced because it's gone very cloudy with the sun over the years. Quite common in HR, HD, HKT and G. Not so common in HQs. A different sort of plastic, or perhaps lower the dash and it didn't get sun on it, but sun damage is common. Anyway, we'll turn him on. Power on. Connected. We go to the phone. And I won't back down. Well, I know what's right. Bit in excess. Tone control at the back there. A dull sound or less treble up to brighter sound, and ready to go back in the owner's car.